Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Haircare Jury, welcome to today's video where I am going to be showing you how, and not only did I use that aloe vera and lemon face/hair mask one time and then just throw it away for YouTube video clicks, I'm actually still using it. Here is a container that I have been keeping in the refrigerator. I have about 3 ounces of product in here, and we are going to see how much I can put between my face and my hair. It is very liquidy, but I want you to see it is still like clear and clean. I mean, of course it has a little color to it, you know, because of the aloe vera, but this is still fresh. This is still good. I have been keeping this in my refrigerator, and this is 2 weeks now. Yep, 2 weeks and like a couple days. So I have been using this. I'm getting ready to apply, like I said, both to my face and to my hair. It's kind of like a forced pre-poo, so I can do my next wash day. This is after the Nature's Little Secret wash day that I had. I really like the way that my hair came out, and that was after me spending like so many days with just a twist, you know, without properly covering my hair and taking them down, and it still was a great hairstyle. I went swimming, so I washed my hair with the Camille Rose. I had the ginger rinse and that Moroccan pear conditioner. That's what's in my shower right now. So I used that. And then what I used was, you remember when I did the Product Junkie Naturals and I had, it was like the rosemary deep conditioner. That's what was on the label, but we pretty much have all come to the conclusion that that's a leave-in. So that's what I did, and that's all I have. As you can tell, it's been several days since I did that because my hair is looking kind of dry. It does feel kind of moisturized still. I really want to go ahead and get rid of that rosemary deep conditioner, which is really a leave-in, because just looking at the label on the bottle, it kind of frustrates me. You know, I'm not mad at like Product Junkie Naturals. I'm not mad at the owner, nothing like that. But just seeing, you know, deep conditioner on the label and knowing that it's a leave-in, I just want to get through that product, like, you know, as fast as I can, so I can go ahead and get rid of that bottle. Then I can just move on to other products. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is my face, and I have my cotton balls, and I have more than one. And for this mask, I purposely did not strain the aloe and the lemon, so you might see like bits of aloe and lemon on my face. That's okay. That is on purpose. I didn't feel like straining it. I've already cleansed my face with the same stuff I did last time. I'm really running low on that Urban Hydration Micellar water, but I do have another bottle. If you are interested in, you know, a cleanser is good for removing makeup, is good for removing like oils and dirts and stuff, just micellar water, period. But the Urban Hydration formula, I really like that. So if you're interested in micellar water, I think you should give the Urban Hydration brand a try. And I dipped it in, and I'm just going, and I'm using the camera to kind of see where I'm putting this. And I am going to put like a couple layers, but I'm going to put this first layer, and I'm going to go ahead and start on my hair, because I want to make sure that I have enough, you know, for my hair. I think I do. We'll see. Like I said, this is, it's like almost exactly 3 ounces, just a little bit less than 3 ounces. So we'll see if that's enough to do my hair. It's probably going to be more than enough, but then I can go back and, you know, put a couple extra layers on my face. This feels so good. Again, with it coming out of the refrigerator, yeah, it's nice and cool, y'all. It's so hot. So if you hear the fan in the background, like, it's right here, but y'all, it's hot, and I'm not trying to like sweat away for no YouTube video. We gotta be comfortable doing these videos, y'all. So that's the first layer on my face. And since I kind of already, you know, had my hair in these little twist like things, I know you can't even tell what this is, but it's like twists. I'm gonna go ahead and take them down one by one and just apply. So the only thing I have in my hair now is that Product Junkie Naturals like leave-in product. I almost think that it was, maybe it's that Max Hydration, because I think I used the Max Hydration leave-in, and when I got, you know, when I used the deep conditioner, that rosemary deep conditioner, and then I got to the Max Hydration leave-in, I was like, man, this smelled like the same thing. It kind of seemed like the same thing. So maybe that's what it is, the Max Hydration leave-in. So that's all what's in my hair right now. You know, it's kind of frizzy and stuff, but it's not really dry. My hair still feel moisturized, but my hair have been like this for like a few days. So it's time to like literally force myself to, you know, shampoo, and I'm gonna do that by starting with this Prepoo. And I did not spray my hair, y'all. So let's see. So let's see how this works on dry hair, and then let's see how it is on wet hair. So I don't believe my hair really was, you know, like that tangled or whatever, but you know, let's just see what we're working with. And I'm gonna like finger this, and the parts are just like they are not there. So if you see me kind of like stopping and pausing, it's because I have pulled hair from like another section, but I literally like do not have parts. I do not have a detangling brush with me, but I have a comb. Take this comb and I'll use this, and I'm gonna start at the bottom. Yep, this is very nice, very easy to comb through. But let's tell it when we get to the roots, huh? Let's tell it when we get to the top. That's how you know. Not bad. And I still feel like I need to go through with a fine-tooth comb. And that's just for me, like wide tooth combs, I can start with those, but I feel like I have to go through with a fine tooth comb just to make sure that I catch every strand of hair. Yep, still very easy, very simple to comb through. I really like what this aloe vera and like lemon mix does, you know, to my hair. And if you recall, I also did add MSM and collagen peptides. You definitely do not have to do that. Really, you don't even have to add the lemon. Just the aloe by itself, you know, is enough. Now this section, I'm gonna spray with water first and then apply the aloe vera Prepoo, and let's see if there's any difference or if things are the same. Again, here is my dry hair. I'm going to spray a little bit of water. I'm just going to work through the water a little bit. The aloe vera on my face is completely dry. It didn't take long to dry at all. And now I'll add the aloe vera. Next time what I'll do is put this in the applicator bottle. Now to me it feels almost the same, but you can tell, you know, a little difference in the product like moving through my hair with the water first and then adding the aloe vera. Since aloe vera and lemon are mostly water anyway, it's not too much of a difference, but I do notice a difference, and I would say I would prefer to spray my hair with water first and then apply. And then I'm just gonna comb this section. And then I'm gonna come through with a finer tooth comb. And I don't know if this, what you see on my comb, I don't know if this is from the aloe and lemon itself, or if this is kind of reactivating the Product Junkie Naturals leave-in that I already had in my hair. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's kind of reactivating that product. Yep. For the rest of my hair, I'm just going to spray my hair with water, apply the Prepoo, comb it through, and then twist my hair back up. Like I was saying, I can feel, like a little difference with putting water on my hair first and then applying the Prepoo, but because it is mostly water anyway, if I did not have water and I had to apply dry, it wouldn't be a problem. I can leave this in my hair forever, but this Prepoo is supposed to kind of force me into my next wash day, which I was supposed to start today earlier, but instead I have actually been working on another project. So this is just kind of like an intermission or a break from what I have been doing, which is reorganizing my hair product stash. So I have my products on, well, I have about 75% of my products on 4 bookshelves. So I have 2 that are beige, 7-foot tall Billy bookshelves from IKEA, and then I have 2 that are white 6-foot tall. And I have them all there, and for the most part they are in alphabetical order. Now what messes up the alphabetical order is if I have like a whole lot of one brand, which will take either a whole cubicle or most of the cubicle, and then I just have like a little space left. And let's say the next brand in alphabetical order, it has just a little bit more than what the space will allow. And then say the brand after that has just enough to go into that space. So I will skip around a little bit and let, like the brand with the smaller number of products go like next in line instead of the next actual alphabetical order. Well, that's been bothering me like since I did that. I know why I did it and it made sense, but the fact that it's not exactly in alphabetical order have been getting on my nerves. So I have decided to put it exactly alphabetical in order. I have Maui Moisture. So Maui Moisture is at the bottom of my beige bookshelf, but it's also at the top of this white one because the products, they all wouldn't fit either in one cubicle on the left side or 2 cubicles left to right. But not only do these go down to the next row of cubicles, this actually goes across bookshelves, and I can't have that. If I want Maui Moisture, I want to look in one place and see all my Maui Moisture products. I don't want one bookshelf over here, another bookshelf over there, this cubicle up here, 3 cubicles down on the opposite side. I can't do it, y'all. So that's why I'm redoing it, and because stuff is not like exactly in order. I do not think I'm gonna record like the whole process. I got to be in a zone, I got to be focused. My mind, you know what I'm saying, I got to make sure my ABCs is calculated and listed correctly. I can't be distracted, y'all, because if it come out wrong, I'm gonna have to do it all over. So I don't know if you can see this, but I have like let me hold it straight. It's about a half an ounce left that I have, I think I'm gonna just like pour that on the top of my head. I'm not gonna worry about putting it putting more on my face, because number one, I done stuck my hands all in it, and then I just saw a piece of hair up in there, and I'm not about to put that in my face. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just wait. Okay, I'm gonna put a shower cap on just to keep this kind of like, you know, wet and moisturized and stuff, and I'm gonna get back to organizing those bookshelves. Pretty much I just wanted to show you that I didn't just, you know, make that DIY product and just use it one time and throw it away, or half use it or fake like I was using it. This is stuff that I use on a regular basis. I've been doing DIY for a long time. So I make, you know, face products, hair products, I make household cleansing products, I make lotions, air fresheners, curly tails. I got you on that air freshener video. It is going to be coming up soon. I got to get those containers. I'm going to show you that. These are things that are simple, they are easy, they are economical, and it's just something to try. It could be like a little crafts project that you do with your kids or something like that. I just like to do it. It puts a smile on my face. It really does, because, you know, I know the products. I know exactly what's in it. I make it myself. I can tweak it, you know, like I want. And it's just something that I can do on my own. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.